Hi, I'm Scott. This is my daughter, Kaylin.
And our Kaiser family are the proud owners of the Big Town Hero here in Kaiser. With today's fast-paced lifestyle, we know you need fresh, fast, and delicious meal options for you and your family. Big Town Hero freshness means bread made from scratch every day, not from frozen dough that's thawed and baked. Hand-picked, local vegetables, daily fresh, sliced meats and cheeses. We love being a part of the Kaiser community and think that we have the best neighborhood in the Willamette Valley. Not only are our fresh and delicious meals available when you come in to see us, we're also happy to make custom orders and deliver them to your meeting, event, or party.
On behalf of Willamette University Football, the coaches want to thank Big Town Hero for all their support for our program.
Hello, my name is AJ Nash with Fidelity National Title of Salem. We choose Big Town Kaiser to cater our events, whether they're big, 130 people, or small, just sandwiches for the office, and consistently, Big Town Hero of Kaiser delivers healthy, good options that are the best bang for the buck that we've found.
As a mom, it's great to have Big Town Hero Kaiser provide healthy, fast options for my family.
So that's our Big Town Hero story. We're on a mission to help everyone enjoy fresh, fast, and delicious meals because for us, we consider you family.